Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a product review and I'm going to be reviewing matte lip serums by Mamaearth, which I received in the mail and I have been absolutely loving and enjoying them on my lips lately. So I had to make a dedicated video and swatch all the shades for you guys. So here we are doing the same. Also, before moving forward, I would like to give you a quick intro about the brand. So Mamaearth is an Indian brand which is all about goodness inside, and this goodness doesn't just lie in their products but also in the values that they stand for. So they have some initiatives like the Plants Goods initiative, where they link your order on a website to the tree that they plant. So if you shop from them, you're also contributing to the environment. It is a plastic positive brand, which means they recycle more plastic than they use, which is amazing. All the products from Mamaearth are free from harmful chemicals, are made up of 100% natural ingredients. They are dermatologically tested and are made safe certified, which means they have no chemicals, no toxin, no parabens. So that was a quick intro about the brand. Without much ado, let me quickly jump into packaging and the swatches. So they come in this beautiful outer packaging. They retail for 600 rupees for 3 ml of product. So those were the lip swatches, and let me know which one is your favorite shade. I think there are 3-4 shades which will look great on every skin tone. One is this one. Then there's 03 Berrydict Magenta. Again, this will look great on all skin tones. They are definitely better than any liquid lipstick. They are called lip serums for a reason, and rightly so. Crafted with brightening and hydrating properties of vitamin E and vitamin C, these lip serums give you more than 8 hours of hydration. Packed with highly pigmented matte colors, they come with smudge proof and transfer proof formula that lasts up to 12 hours, giving your lip a dollop of care and a burst of color. Kiss proof, smudge proof as well. So in case you want to get your hands on these serums, don't forget to use my discount coupon code, which is Arshiya2022 for 20% off at mama.in. Also, these products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Mamaearth. You can also download the Mamaearth app to avail special discounts and offers. Do check these out, and I hope the video was informative and helpful. And if you guys liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment below, let me know your favorite shade, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.